The integral in today's video is actually from a viewer of mine. He asked it in one of the comment sections. So he asked me to solve for the integral of secant squared of pi by 2 minus x. Now, I thought this was an interesting integral because of what happens at the end of the integral. So stick around to see what I'm talking about. But I just wanted to say quickly that it's day 41 of this maths countdown series. So there's still 40 days left following this day. So make sure you stick around to watch the countdown until the end and to learn something new every day. Okay, so let's solve this integral. So first off, we're going to use u substitution. We let u equal to what was in our trig function. So that's pi by 2 minus x. So that means the derivative of u in terms of x is negative 1. So now re-expressing this integral in terms of u, we get the integral of negative secant squared of u du. Okay, now we know the integral of secant squared of u to be tangent of u. So we have negative tan of u, and then plus c, the constant of integration. Now we substitute back. So we have negative tan of pi by 2 minus x plus c. Now you'd typically think to leave the integral over there, but I've specifically said or asked you to simplify fully. And there is a way to express this in simpler terms. So the tangent of a function is equal to the sine of that function over cosine of that same function. But now you'll notice that we can actually do reduction over here to change these two trig functions. So pi by 2 is 180 degrees over 2. It's 90 degrees. So sine of 90 degrees minus an angle is equal to cosine of that angle, because it's in the first quadrant. So 90 minus an acute angle leaves you in the first quadrant. So that gives us cosine of x in the numerator, and then in the denominator, it's again 90 minus the angle. So the co-ratio is indeed going to be sine of x. Okay, and then we have plus c. But now you'll notice that cosine of x over sine of x is the same as cotangent of x. And so now we've simplified this integral as much as we can, and we've reduced it to a trig ratio with just x as its parameter. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. Thank you.